So we have to continue with the game. Still, Claveria now controlling the leader, and here's a big bang coming from Ballesteros. And Claveria is now in trouble controlling the leader, but they were able to control the leader. Bringing back, oh yes, they were able to save that leader. Big bang coming from Ballesteros, and a placement there. Oh, it's an error committed by number 2. Is definitely that's pushing the ball. So we have Claveria now serving with a high ball. Bang! Coming from number 2 with a left-handed shot. But it was stopped by Claveria. Here comes Ballesteros in the attack. Claveria in offense. And number 6 now toes the leather for number 2 with a left-handed shot. Yes, sir. This is number 2 of Ballesteros now at the end line to serve. There goes the letter. Yo! What a nice serve there by number 2 of Ballesteros. And number 2 is now playing well for the team Ballesteros in this boys division volleyball. Another left-handed serve. And number 2 received position. And we have overreaching called against Calayan, and it's a point for Ballesteros. Ballesteros continues to serve with number 2. There goes the letter going up high. Bang, bang! But it was stopped by Ballesteros. Easy ball now, crossing the net. And here comes the letter. Wow, a placement there by number 4. Big bang, but could not be stopped by number 3 of Ballesteros. So Claveria East will serve. Serving is number 7 of Claveria East. This is a very exciting ball game between two strong teams. We have Ballesteros right in front of us, and at the far end we have Claveria. Claveria now controlling the leader. Stopped by number 1 of Ballesteros. Big bang, but it won't go. Oh, it's too high for number 4 of Claveria, so he failed to make the ball cross the net. We have a server here, number 3 of Ballesteros. Quick pass. Easy ball for Ballesteros. Tossing it out, and number 5 could not control the letter, so it will be another point for Ballesteros. Ballesteros now right in front of us, number 3 serving. Stopped by Claveria. Claveria brings the letter back. Then nagagawa ng dalawang mga lalaro. Nagbungguan ng dalawang maglalaro, number 2 and number 4 for Ballesteros, but they have the advantage on that game. Another serve coming from number 3. And there goes the letter. Number 12 of Claveria. Yeah, the ball is in play. Wow. And they are now trying to control the leader. Big bang! And where are you? Hinaharap ngayon ang manlalaro ng Ballesteros. Walang katao-tao doon sa area na pinagdalahan ng bola ng Claveria. Okay? So, ito pa rin ang labanan sa pagitan ng dalawang koponan. Koponan ng Claveria East in yellow and Ballesteros in yellow-green. Ballesteros now controlling the leader. Bringing it back to the court of Claveria. And it's now here. There goes, oh, yes, what a nice placement there by Ballesteros. Ballesteros playing some kind of game without any force. And, wow, it was anticipated by Claveria. Wow! And it gets in. The ball is in. So it will be for Ballesteros. Ballesteros number 4 will have to serve. Here's number 4, releasing the leader. Oh yes, number 2, bringing back the leader to the court of the yellow-green. Easy ball now going up. And, oh come on, what a game. It's a well-coordinated game now being shown by Ballesteros. And here comes number 4 for a serve. There goes the leader, going up high. Stopped by number 6. Number 6 brings back the letter immediately. Number 6 is still with the letter. Bang! Oh no. And it's a point for Ballesteros. Ballesteros now moving away from Claveria. It's another serve there by Ballesteros, and Claveria is trying to control the leather. Number 6 picks up the leather and brings it back. Here comes the leather to number 2, number 2 to number 5. Number 5 pushing the leather back, and it's good. Number 2 of Claveria brings back to number 2 of Ballesteros, and a toes. But that won't do this time. It won't do this time, and there goes the leather. It's still in play. Oh, come on. What's going on with Claveria?